Welcome to where we dive deep into the most intriguing concepts, books, and ideas to empower your life. Today we're exploring the fascinating world of the 48 Laws of Power by Robert Greene. We're going to cover Laws 7, 8, and 9, three powerful principles that can help you navigate the complexities of power dynamics. So, if you want to learn how to gain influence, master your environment, and advance in your career or personal life, stay tuned. Law 7. Get others to do the work for you, but always take the credit. This law is about leveraging the talents and resources of others while still maintaining your position of authority. It's a powerful way to achieve your goals without overexerting yourself. Think of successful CEOs. They delegate tasks to their teams, but they are the face of the organization. This law isn't about exploiting people, but rather about strategic collaboration. You can use Law 7 in your own life by identifying what you're great at and what others might be better at. Collaborate with those people and then make sure you're the one presenting the results. This way, you build your credibility while also achieving more. Law 8. Make other people come to you. Use bait if necessary. This law is about creating situations where others are drawn to you, giving you the advantage. When people come to you, they are on your terms. You control the environment, the timing, and often the outcome. Using bait can be anything from offering valuable information to creating a sense of mystery. Here's how you can apply this law in your life. Think about what you can offer that others find irresistible. It could be knowledge, a unique skill, or even an opportunity. When you provide something valuable, people will naturally come to you, putting you in the driver's seat. Law 9. Win through your actions, never through argument. This is a crucial law because it's often more effective to show than to tell. Arguments can lead to resentment, while actions demonstrate capability and resolve. Winning through actions means proving yourself through results. It's about letting your work speak for you rather than getting caught in endless debates. This approach can build respect and minimize conflict. To use Law 9, focus on demonstrating your value through your actions. Whether at work, in relationships, or any other context, let your achievements and behavior be your arguments. This way you'll build a strong reputation without unnecessary conflict. So now that you know about Laws 7, 8, and 9, how will you use them to improve your life? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Which law do you think is the most powerful, and how do you plan to apply it? If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and subscribe for more content on power, strategy, and success. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.